This 2018 Gulf Stream Conquest 6237 LA is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulf Stream is 24 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, TV, skylight, microwave, refrigerator, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2018 Gulf Stream Conquest 6237 LA is built on a Chevrolet 3500 chassis and is powered by a General Motors Inc. engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.